Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll continue the same exercise, surface area and volume of solids. Look at question number 16 from exercise 16.4. Question says that two cubes each of 12 centimeter side are joined end to end. Find the surface area and volume of the resulting cuboid. You have two cubes. These two cubes are joined end to end. Joined end to end, and as a result you have a figure solid that is called cuboid. I'm taking the side of the cube as 6, length is 6, breadth is 6, height is 6. Similarly you have 6, 6, 6. So when two cubes are joined together, you get a cuboid. So write cuboid. Length, add this. 6 plus 6 is 12 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 6 centimeter and height is also 6 centimeter. Question says that calculate surface area. I have added volume also. So look at this. Surface area of cuboid. It is twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. You know the dimension, substitute. 2 length is 12 into 6 plus 6 into 6 plus 6 into 12. 2 72 plus 36 plus 72. Add it up. 2 into 10. 14, 16, 17, 18, 180. Multiply this, you get 360 centimeter square. This is the surface area. If you are asked to calculate volume, second part, volume of cuboid. Length into breadth into height. You know length 12. Breadth is 6, height is 6. You multiply this, you get the answer in centimeter cube. Similarly, you do question number 16 from the exercise when value is 12, the side of the cube. Now look at this question number 19. It is an important question and bit confusing. You have to understand the concept. A field 30 meter long, 18 meter wide. You have a rectangular field whose length is given 30 meter, breadth is given 80 meter. Question says that a pit 6 centimeter long. From the middle, a pit is dug out 6 meter. Width is given, which is equal to 4 meter, and height is given 3 meter. Depth means height. Whatever earth is taken out, that earth is evenly spread on the remaining portion. Question says that calculate the rise in the level of water. So as earth is taken out from the field, it has spread around. Because of that, the height of the remaining portion is rising. So look at this calculation part. First you write field, and other side you write pit. Length is given, which is equal to 30 meter. Breadth is given, which is equal to 80 meter for pit. Length is given 6 meter. breadth is given 4 meter, height is given 3 meter. In order to calculate the height, raising the label of the field, first you have to calculate remaining surface area of the field. Remaining area of field. It is area of bigger rectangle minus area of rectangular part of the pit. 30 multiplied by 18 is the area of outer rectangle minus area of pit will be 6 into 4. Only the top portion we are calculating. 30 into 18 is 540, 6 into 4 is 24. Subtract 6, 1, 5 meter square. This portion area is left. Now we calculate volume of earth dug out from the pit. It is length into breadth into height. Length we know 6, 4 and 3. 24 into 3 is 72 meter cube. Now you have to calculate the height. Look at this calculation part. Rising the label of field means we have to calculate volume of remaining field. Volume of remaining field equal to volume of earth dug out. Whatever earth is taken out, it is evenly spread. So volume of remaining field will be equal to volume of earth dug out. It is length into breadth into height equal to volume we know which is equal to 72. Length into breadth is the area of remaining portion and which we have already calculated. It was 540 multiplied by 24, 6, 1, 516. Height, you have to calculate 72. Height is equals to 72 divided by 516. Simplify this, you get the answer in meter. This is how we calculate the volume of the pit, that is earth dug out, and because of this mud spread evenly, there is rise in the level of water, so we can calculate the height of the field which is rising up. Question number 24 is an important question. 3 cubes of sides x, 8, 10 are melted and recast into a big one. Find the value of x. Straight away you can solve this question, it's easier. Volume of 3 cubes equal to volume of big cube, because small 3 ones are melting into big one. Volume of first one is x cube, second one is 8 cube, third one is 10 cube equal to 12 cube. This equation you have to simplify to calculate x. X cube plus 8 into 8 is 64. 64 into 8, 512 plus 1000. 12 into 12 is 144 into 12, 8, 8, 2, 4, 4, 1, 8, 12, 6, 7, 1. It is 1728. Add it up. X cube plus 1, 1, 5, 1, 2 equal to 1728. Make subject of formula 7, 1728 multiplied by 1512 subtract, it is 6, 1, 2. X equals to cube root of 216, which is equals to 6 centimeter. This is how we calculate when 3 cubes are melted into big one. We can find the dimension of one of the cube which is unknown. Question number 26b. This will be the last question for the exercise. You have a diagram given. The dimensions are given in the question. 2 meter, 3.5 meter, 6 meter. Length is given 400 meter. Question says that calculate cross-sectional area. Only this portion. You have to find the area of this cross-section. You cannot do it directly from here, so you need to separate the diagram. Draw perpendicular from one edge such that you get two figures. If you look at the diagram, figure number 1 is rectangle and figure number 2 is a right angle triangle. So area of cross section equal to area of rectangle, that is figure 1, plus area of triangle, figure 2. Length multiplied by breadth plus half into base into height. We know the length, this entire is length 6 meter. Breadth is 2 meter plus half. We do not know the base of the triangle and we can calculate this because this side will be 2. 3.5 minus 2 is 1.5. This portion is 1.5 meter. Height of the figure is 6 meter. 6 into 2 is 12 plus cancel this 3 times. 4.5 added up, you get 16.5 meter square area of the cross section. Now question says that calculate the volume. Volume equal to area of cross section into length. Area of cross section is 16.5. Length is given 400. Remove decimal from your 10. Cancel zeros. Multiply this. 5 into 4 is 22, 6 into 4 is 24, 26, 2, 4, 6, 0 meter cube. So look at the diagram carefully. You cannot directly calculate because you have to have a rectangle or triangle, or you can do calculation using a figure called trapezium. Area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel sides into height. You could do directly calculation because it is a trapezium. These two sides are parallel to each other. This is the height and formula is half into sum of parallel sides 2 plus 3.5. Height is 6. Without splitting the figure you can directly do because it is a trapezium. Half into 5.5 into 6, 3 times 15, 16.5. You'll get the same answer. So please do practice, go through the formulae. Formulas are very, very important. You need to practice regularly. Thank you very much. Stay safe.